Hiring today is overwhelming. Manual screening, scheduling interviews, and inconsistent evaluations slow you down and lead to missed opportunities. With BizzMate, hiring is transformed into a seamless, automated process. Let's walk you through the journey. It starts with AI-powered resume screening. BizzMate filters hundreds of applications, identifying the best candidates in seconds. Next, create tailored assessments to evaluate skills specific to your job requirements. BizzMate ensures fair and relevant evaluations every time. Forget scheduling headaches. BizzMate automates interview coordination, allowing candidates to select times that work for them. BizzMate provides data-driven insights, helping you make informed decisions with confidence. And finally, onboard your new hires effortlessly. BizzMate ensures a seamless transition for every candidate. Ready to revolutionize your hiring process? With BizzMate, every step is faster, smarter, and more efficient. Try BizzMate today and experience smarter hiring. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on what matters most, building a great team.